थोड़ा झुक के
Any other tandavs you've been doing recently with Sanjay Bansali, or are they over?
Only Tamasha, only Tamasha.
Only Tamasha.
Yeah.
Listen, all you guys, I'm going to run now. I have a film to make, but Tamasha looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see it on the... Sid, you have to send me the film. I'll be in London. You'll have to send it to me to see, huh? I want to see it before everybody else does.
You have to buy a ticket, Karan, just like everyone else.
Oh, don't get all Beauty and the Beast on me. All right, I'll buy not one. I will make sure the entire unit watches it because I can't wait to watch Imtiaz Ali's movie. I'm not watching it for Ranbir and Deepika. I'm only watching it for Imtiaz Ali.
We love you.
All right, big hug, big kiss. Bye, Deepika. See you
Thank
back.
you.
I said,
Bye. Bye.
Thanks, Karan.
Huh.
That was quite an impactful cameo.
Like always.
I said,
Hello. When are you joining us, Ranbir?
I'm done in 2 days and I'm with you from the 5th.
But I like this virtual thing. Yeah?
No,
It's
I don't like it. I don't like it
Before
at
this
all.
becomes a marketing strategy meeting.
So where were we, Deepika? तो कहाँ थे
Which
हम?
flight? The media is asking which flight are you on?
मैं शिप से आ रहा हूँ. Where were we?
Do you want to ask us any questions before we show you a new song from the film?
I would like to repeat the same question which Kejal just asked. Who do you think you look hotter with, Ranbir or Ranbir?
Oh my God, I've never been asked that question before. That's so cool. What do you think? Let's put him in the spot. Ranbir Kapoor, who do you think I look better with? Your answers are A, Ranbir Kapoor, B, Ranveer Singh.
I don't think you need anybody to look good. You look good the way you are.
Okay, you're promoted to the next round.
Thank you.
Deepika, what do you feel? We've heard Ranbir, but what do you feel about it?
Whatever he says. Anything, you want to ask anything about any experience, anything about the 3 songs before we move on?
No one's interested in experience.
Huh? Choreography of Matar Gashti was Bosco and Caesar. I think Bosco is someone, Ranbir, you want to talk about it? I think Bosco is someone who really understands Ranbir's body language. And I think the song was meant to be choreographed without being choreographed. And I think for an actor, that's the most difficult thing to do. Like, how do you give an actor a step and then say, now dance, but make it look like you're not dancing? I think that's really difficult to do. And especially for someone like Ranbir, who's such a gifted dancer, he dances so well. He has his own style. So yeah, I think, that's the way we went about doing Matar Gashti. It was, you had to rehearse a lot, na?
I did rehearse because, it had a certain journey even in the steps. But I think I also would like to talk about Imtiaz because Imtiaz is so clear where his songs are concerned. There is a certain way he wants his characters to behave. He never wants his characters to suddenly let's shift, let's get out of character and let's just, dance like a Hindi film hero. So in the parameters of the character of Ved and Tara, he wanted the choreography to fit in very seamlessly. And I think he understands, Bosco understands that very well with Imtiaz. I think Bosco worked with you in Love Aajkal and he did Rockstar also. So he had experience of working with all 3 of us together. But yeah, the choreography was fun. It wasn't like hard steps. It wasn't 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It was really about just not impressing but expressing. ABCD 3.
I'd like to ask a question to Ranbir now. Ranbir, according to you, who do you look hotter with, Katrina or Deepika?
देखो भाई अभी तमाशा अभी रिलीज हो रही है then film coming out called Jaga Jasoos. So it's better than you all only decide, no, who Deepika looks hot with, who I look hot with. How can we only say कि you look hot with this person? मुझे बहुत पसंद है. That's आलोक बोल रहे हैं. मुझे आपकी आवाज़ पहचान गया मैं। आलोक जी, मुझे बहुत पसंद है गाना। एक्चुअली जब इम्तियाज़ ये गाने का स्क्रैच लाए थे, तो आई थिंक एट दैट टाइम दे weren't really too sure कि ये गाना यूज़ करे नहीं यूज़ करे। इट हैड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एन ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म टू इट, बट द मोमेंट आई हर्ड द सॉन्ग आई फेल इन लव विद इट। आई थॉट कि इट हैड अ सर्टेन इमोशन। आजकल के गाने मज़ेदार तो होते हैं, बट इमोशनल सॉन्ग्स की जब बात होती है, आई थिंक इंडिया रियली स्ट्राइक्स अ कॉर्ड विथ इमोशनल सॉन्ग्स। इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दैट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम आशिकी 2, which is what's the song, how does the song go? नहीं नहीं, अबे आशिकी 2, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, और इवन ये दूरियां फ्रॉम लव आजकल, मेनी अदर सॉन्ग्स। आई थिंक ये जॉनर का जो गाना होता है, कबीरा फ्रॉम ये जवानी, सो आई थिंक ये जॉनर का गाना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, एंड आई थिंक वी गॉट रियली लकी। Actually, we didn't get lucky. We had A.R. Rahman, Irshad Bhai, and Imtiaz. So a song like this was expected. Hey, Deepika, Sajid Bhai and Imtiaz are not there.
I was just going to tell you it was meant to be a surprise. I don't know how you knew.
Okay, I'm just asking. मैंने उनकी art आ गई मुझे, the Jaya Bachchan shot.
We know you're feeling homesick and missing us, so we brought everyone to meet you.
Oh, great.
We can stand also.
We can stand. You can sing, we can stand.
I'm dancing for you, yeah?
Oh, I see again. It's gone. I can't see you. Now I can only see some photographers.
Chalo. Sajid bhai. See, nobody wants to meet me. They're all saying hi to you.
Hi, Sajid Bhai.
Hello. Do darshan.
Imtiaz sir, touch कर लो sir. सर पानी पी रहे हो?
आपने पिला दिया सर.
Let's talk about the music with Imtiaz now, since he's here. I think let's get his review.
No. I think Imtiaz should do the step. Imtiaz has never done
After he finishes a glass of water, I think.
water.
It is actually water.
I know, sir. I can see the nimbu in it also.
It is. But yeah. You'll do the step with us? I think we should all do the step.
Which one?
Which other? Matar Kashti. And Alok is going to join us. Chalo, play the song. We all have to do it.
सर थोड़ा झुक के कैमरा
मेरे होश हवास खो गए हो दिल का भंवर बोले सुन साथिया चुप न दुपट्टे में तो ओ छलिया प्रेम पुजारी के दिल का बयां होता रहा रोता रहा प्रिय तो फिर
We want to share a new song with all of you. I don't know if you've heard the audio track already. It's called What. It's actually Ranveer's favorite song. Do you guys want to see it? Listen to it? See it. See it for the first time. Chalo. I love it.
क्या रिपोर्ट है? आप लोग हमेशा ऐसे ही बोलते हो यार. ये डांस सिंपल है सर. ये इसको भी मैं कर सकता हूँ सर.
Yeah, I haven't seen the video before. I'm sorry. I'm just like acting like an excited actor. But nice. So, Ranbir, I think we should open the floor to questions
Yeah.
and ask us whatever you want to ask us.
वाट लगा दो हमारी.